This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Giselle Lyman. Don't miss this value-priced opportunity in the gardens at Palm Aire Country Club. Move-in ready 2-bedroom 2-bath condo with 1,080 square feet featuring new flooring, popcorn ceilings removed, remodeled kitchen with new cabinets and appliances, and updated bathrooms. Private balcony overlooks the tennis courts for a peaceful, scenic setting. Enjoy resort-style amenities including pools, clubhouse, tennis, pickleball, walking paths, and mature landscaping. Prime Sarasota location near the mall at University Town Center, Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport, and minutes to downtown Sarasota. Ideal primary residence, seasonal escape, or investment property. For more information, review the details below.